baby. God damn. Nigga, this baby going crazy. YouTube, what is good? It's your boy, Bearman17, coming at y'all with a quick little video today. This video right here, it ain't gonna be nothing specific. We just rolling around. I'm sitting at the stoplight right now, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm back rolling. Damn, school zones and shit. What's this up here? What's this? Y'all comment down below what type of charges that is in front of me. What's it gonna be? You got slid on a 20, or they would tax your ass on a speeding ticket. I ain't never gotten a speeding ticket though. That's just me, cause I don't be speeding. Yeah, it's a V6 up there. I ain't gonna cap. I think it's a V6. They don't play in these school zones. I'm really speeding. I'm really tweaking. Let's see what they on. Y'all ain't come here to see this. I'm gonna pause this shit. Caught up to their Clay Cooley. And they running fishbowl. It's crazy. But I don't know. See what we get here. What y'all on? Get your ass over. You getting over? Come on, get the fuck. I ain't gonna do it. Like, you see what we gotta deal with, folks. I could have easily made it through that light. I could have still sped through that light, but you know, we courteous drivers out here. We respecting the road. We sharing the road. But homeboy, that just like got over right there. You gotta do a little bit better, bro. Hey, this hoe be banging though, and I do not have my Glock on me, so nobody better not try nothing. Oh look, we done caught back up to homeboy. I'm back on his ass. Back on his ass, like white on rice. Here we go, let's go. I hate when people do that shit. You do not gotta get wide to turn left, bro. Just make your fucking turn. But nah. Ugly. Let y'all see that fat ass arrow over there. Motherfuckers don't want to get over though. Now let's see what bro do. Motherfuckers can't drive out here. He's speeding up. Nah. See if he gets on to get over. Now he getting over. He just cut off like 2 people. It's all good though. Nah. But like, come on, folks. There's so much goddamn construction and shit going on over here, man. This shit is ridiculous. This shit is ridiculous. Baby. God damn. Nigga, this baby going crazy. This baby going crazy, gang. Then no, this ain't no it's not a mid delete. I got the carbon performance mufflers. I ain't even make a video on them, but shit, that reminds me, I do need to make a video on it because I do need to get some of that bread back, even though my channel not monetized. Come on, if you getting over, come on. Cause like I really ain't even on that type of timing today. You know what I'm saying? I'm keeping it cordial, bro. Keeping it cordial. I ain't disrespecting nobody out here. I'm right in a residential area, bro. Come on. But nah. Once I get a chance to get active, boy. Once I get a chance to get active, boy. Come on, gang. Let's see who know how to drive. And there's hella more traffic up here. Let's see who know how to drive. Get your ass over. And we could have went through the light again, but motherfuckers want to just stop, bro. Motherfuckers passive as fuck. Shit crazy. Little vet. Might have to catch his ass. Might have to catch his ass. Like, do y'all see this shit? Like, where the fuck do they do this at? There's so much goddamn construction. Oh, caught up to your boy, I'm on your ass. Caught up to your boy, I'm on your ass. HBCU, bro, went to Arkansas Pine Bluff. He got that black and yellow joint. Hey, black man winning. What's up? Like nah, but nah, HBCU, APB. It's got to be Arkansas Pine Bluff. Like, come on now. Let's see what he on though. Where the fuck is this thing going? On your ass, like one on right. It look like I'm so far away on camera, but I'm really on this motherfucker ass, dog. Like y'all. That hoe got some big ass wheels. And we in another school zone. So we going 20 miles per hour again. I'ma slow down. Y'all wanna speed, y'all do you, gang. And we going downhill, so this shit is really harder to slow down. Let me put this phone down. Hey, these trees sick as hell though. I would love to just rip this bit. I'm finna rip this hoe. I'm finna rip this bit. It's really just like a chill POV, but I'm not gonna title it chill POV. I really need to get a thumbnail though while I'm playing, so I'm gonna have to get up on homeboy real quick. Oh, I mean really? All right, my nigga, your bitch ass. Look at this goofball. Your bitch ass. I'm sorry. Look at bro, getting his ass. Nah, I'm playing. If you watching the video at this point and you're not subscribed, bro, I don't know what you're doing. Fuck is you on, gang? Nah, I'm playing, but nah, seriously, if you are watching this video at this point, you need to subscribe to my channel, bro. And if you do not own any Bitcoin, you need to get you some goddamn Bitcoin. Don't know. Damn, fucking Hyundai Elantra trying to get active. Get your big goofy ass over. Fuck, nigga. Fuck, nigga. Ugly. Here he come. Here come Mr. Vet. But nah, y'all go ahead and subscribe. This video done hit 8 minutes. There really ain't too much left to show y'all. I'm about to finish watching Coach JB, the realest podcast on earth, the realest sports podcast on earth. Second to mine, of course. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. I'm gone.